Hello. Hi. Good evening, children. Good evening. Happy to see you all. So, first of all, I congratulate all grade 8 students who cleared their level 1, and I appreciate all grade 7 students, those who have come to attend this session because they want to make up to a better level, they want to make up to the top ranks. So, if they'll do grade 7 and 8 both, definitely they will get an edge in the competition. See, children, the strategy for the top ranks to crack any competition is that you be ahead of others. The more you do than others, the better rank you will be having, and that too sincerely. If a child practices, say, 5 to 10 questions extra other than others, so in 30 days it makes 300 questions. In 365 days, it makes, even if it is 300 days in a year, so 300 into 5. What does it make? 300 into 5 makes how many questions a day? Yes, it makes 15,000 questions a year. So if any child is doing 15,000 questions a year more than other children, definitely he is going to do better. And when you are with Vedantu, I welcome you all in this session of Vedantu Olympiad School. When you are with Reenu ma'am and you are practicing the questions every day on the various channels of Vedantu, many other teachers are also teaching. You are coming for the regular classes. If you visit to vedantu.com/ISL, you will get number of sessions for the revision of your current school examinations besides the Olympiads. So that's very good. So remember, if you are doing 5 questions per day and you do them for 300 days, you will be doing 1500 questions more than others. Yes, it will be 1500. मेरे को थोड़ा कम लग रहा था तो इसलिए it went to like 15,000. It will be 15,000 when you do 30 questions. जब regular Vedantu session attend करोगे. Yes, if you are doing regular Vedantu session, then it will be right. Yes. So now we are beginning with, yeah, yeah, 1 second. Yes. So it would be 300 into 5, 1500. Yeah, sorry. If you do 300 into 50 questions, then you come to 15,000. Right. Yes. 1 second, children. One second. Something went wrong. Yeah. Come on. So now we begin with the part 1. Quiz part 1. 3 different containers contain. This is question, we are discussing the paper of year 2015-16. 1 second. We are discussing the paper of year 2015-16 children. And this is the first paper from the last 5 years ke papers humne karne. So it is 2015-16 paper. When it came to level 2 means it happened in 2016 year in grade 8. ओके बट इसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में 8 वाली कोई बात नहीं है, ये ग्रेड 5 का क्वेश्चन है. रादर अगर 2015-16 का पेपर देखो तो 7th का पेपर वाज टफर देन द 8th क्लास पेपर. या ओके, we'll check it out. Okay, the 3 different containers contain different quantities of mixture of milk and water whose measurements are 403, 434 and 465 kg. So what biggest measure must be there to measure all the different quantities exactly? Come on. So this is grade 5 question actually which you have got in grade 8. But उन्होंने ये check करना है कि क्या आपको 8th में 5th वाली चीजें याद हैं? What are you finding out over here? Simply you have to find out the HCF and it is coming 31 kg and HCF also by long division method. सबने class 5 में किया है, but I just want to check if you remember in grade 8, not the multiple. जब भी biggest container निकालना, you are dividing it with the container. So you need the biggest container जो exactly measure करे, leaves no remainder. So अगर exactly आपका 31 kg का container होगा, so 403 divide by 31, that means 1s are 31, 10 minus 193 3 times 93. That means आपको 13 mugs or 13 cups measure करना होगा. 13 times the container will fill 403 kg. So you will find out the HCF. So finding of HCF by long division method. Either you do it by prime factorization or you do it by long division. Both are easy. If you do it by long division, then also it is very, very easy. So without wasting time, ones are 403, 4 minus 3, 1, 31, then 403. So how many times it will go? 4, 3 minus 1, 3, yes, 31, 403. Again, it will go how many times? 1s are 31. 10 minus 1, 9. 3. 3s are 93. So what do you get? 31. Now divide this 31 by 465. Then also it would come 31 only. So highest common factor is 31. Right? Now, three rational numbers lying between minus 3 by 4 and half are. Yes, you can see the difference and then answer easily. Yes, yes. Okay, three rational numbers lying between minus 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 are. Children, just remember when somebody is coming in front of you to teach, when you are standing on the stage, so you go and deliver something on the stage. So if somebody says, oh, you didn't speak good, so that doesn't look nice. It's always should be the appreciation for the speaker and for the listener as well. So always think before writing or speaking that what are you writing and what are you saying before the critics. Always try to take the best. And yes, I am getting the answer C. Rational numbers lying between minus 3 by 4 and half are. So there are two ways, children. Minus 3 by 4 plus half, and you have to do half of it. You get one number, right? And similarly, you will find out the other number. So option C is correct. What would you do? You have to add them and do half of it, or you convert them into the same denominator. Either you convert them into, see, there are two ways, minus 3 by 4 and half. LCM is 4, minus 3, 2 2s are. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Minus 3 और 2 के बीच में जितने numbers है, minus 1, minus 2, 0, 1. So it can be minus 1 by 4, it can be 0, and it can be 1 by 4. All are coming here. 4 have got the denominator for all, right? So minus 5 is not coming in between them. I have written all the numbers. So either it will be minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, 0 by 4, or 1 by 4. So you all are correct. Next comes simple equation x plus 6. अब आपको mastery. Note down the chapter. In grade 7 also I told that note down the chapter. So grade 7 में important chapters थे कि you had to revise quadrilaterals from 8th. In grade 7 I told you, right? And that was yesterday's homework. You can complete it today. Grade 8 के लिए solving of equations, tough equations is very important. Solve tough equations so that आपकी mistakes निकल जाएं उसमें से, right? So x plus 6, Aryan, you are already doing it in NSE JSPS with Nidhi ma'am. So their already NSO syllabus is covered, right? So you do not worry about it. All those who are in 8, 9 doing NSE JS, they've already covered all that. Okay? So the best thing is revise and come for जो sessions मेरे साथ चल रहे हैं उनको maths के लिए revise करो. X plus 6 by x plus 5 minus. Now, what is the trick? You take the you take the LCM and do not forget, see mistakes count here. X plus 5 into x minus 4 into x minus 2 is the LCM. It is a very lengthy question. अब x plus 6 के डिनोमिनेटर में x minus 5 x minus 2 नहीं है, तो आपको इसको इन दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. पुट अ ब्रैकेट ओवर हियर, इसको भूल जाओ बिल्कुल, इनको ब्रैकेट्स के अंदर सॉल्व कर, सॉल्व दीज टर्म्स इन द ब्रैकेट्स, राइट। पहले इसको सॉल्व करो, बाद में माइनस के साथ खोलना, और इसको इसके अंदर सॉल्व करना है, राइट। या नहीं, उस ये भी कर सकते हो आप, अगर आपको दो के साथ इजी लगता है तो यू कैन डू लाइक दिस ऑल्सो, x+6 अपॉन x+5 प्लस x+4 अपॉन x-2 इज इक्वल टू माइनस वाली टर्म को इधर ले जाओ, बाद में वो आपका क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके इजी हो जाएगा और आपको बहुत लेंदी भी नहीं बनेगा, ओके। और नाउ एलसीएम विल बी x+5 x-2, तो इसकी मल्टीप्लाई x-2 में होगी, इसकी x+5 में होगी। सो आई एम लीविंग इट फॉर होमवर्क दैट यू विल ट्राई दिस वे, बिकॉज इसमें कोई ट्रिक नहीं है, सोल्यूशन है, ओके। जो आपने 8th में किया जिसको आप तसल्ली से बैठ के करोगे, बट टाइमर लगा के करना, दैट यू आर एबल टू डू इट इन 2 मिनट्स, ओके। किसी क्वेश्चन में हमने हाफ लगानी होती है, तो जो वहां से हमारा टाइम बचा है वो हम इधर पे लगा सकते हैं। So your answer would come to -2. See, ये थोड़ा लेंदी प्रोसेस है, इसको आप सिंपली ऐसे कर सकते हो, x+6 इंटू x-4, क्योंकि इसके एलसीएम में नहीं है, सॉरी x-2, बिकॉज यू आर कीपिंग x+6 अपॉन x+5, 0 प्लस 2x-1 upon x-4. So LCM is coming. Now you can multiply it, x into x, x square minus x into x-2 minus 2x plus 5x and plus minus 5 2s are 10. x square minus 2x plus 5x and plus minus 10, right? Plus x plus 4 into x plus 5. Right, you got the answer -2. They got the answer. Yes, anybody else? Now again x into x-2, x plus 6 into x-2 will be x square. Yes, x square minus 2x plus 6x plus minus 12. This is this bracket. Underneath it remains the same, x square plus 3x minus 10. And so on you will solve it. So Aryan Das, Samyukta, Sharva Kohale, everybody is giving the answer. Definitely when you have reached to this level, level 1, you are qualified. So you can easily do it. Yes, it's an easy question. And like this, you can continue to do and you get the answer. Next, graphs also not discussing, because ये जब हम image copy करते हैं तो वो exactly नहीं आती. But I can just explain you how to go for this question, because it will not match with the answers as when we enlarge the image from the question paper, so it gets shifted. But yes, this is for girls, this is for boys. The question says the total number of boys and girls in various colleges, right? So these are the girls and this is the boys. So number of boys and girls. This is college A. College A में according to this, girls are 25 and boys are, this exact number is not coming over here. It comes to like 22 or 23. I don't know question paper में क्या था. इसी तरह girls boys का number find out कर लेंगे. And then we'll proceed for the questions. The total number of girls in the colleges D and E together are approximately what percent of total number of girls in college A, B, C together. So you have to count the number of girls in A, B, C, and you have to count the number of girls in D and E, and then find out the percentage. Means D and E upon ABC into 100, right? So it says D and E has 95, ABC has this much, so you get. This is the method to do it. Next part it is asked, what is the ratio of the number of boys in college D to the number of boys in college B? You can easily do it. तो आप नोट कर लो कि क्वेश्चन नंबर किस टॉपिक से कितने क्वेश्चंस है. Statistics say you are getting the graph question, right? Now comes Lines and angles types का questions. In the given figure, not drawn to scale, AFGB, CFE and CGD are the straight lines. Find X and Y. Come on. In the given figure, not drawn to scale, AFGB, CFE and CGD are straight lines. Find Y. Yes. These two are the intersecting lines. Very easy. Vertically opposite angles. Yes. Vertically opposite angles. So it comes to 28. This is its neighbor. So it will come to what? 180 minus 122 and then angle sum property. So what is the answer coming? All of you go for it. Very good. It is 94. Correct. So this angle would be 28. This would be 180 minus 122. That is 10 minus 2, 8, 7 minus 2, 5. 10 minus 2, 8, 7 minus 2, 5. 58. So now 58 plus 28 plus y is 180. And y comes to 94. Very good. Big applaud. Yes. Next comes, select the correct statement. Cuboid has 4 faces. Cylinder has 2 flat faces. Sphere has 1 vertex. Cone has no vertex. Only 15 seconds. Only 15 seconds to type the answer. Yes, because all others are wrong. This is a cylinder. It has a flat base on the top and bottom. And this is the round face. Top circle and bottom circle are the flat faces. Cuboid has 6 faces. It should have been 6. Sphere has no vertex and cone has 1 vertex. So B option correct. Very good. Which of the following figures do not satisfy any of the following properties? Means कोई ना कोई fit होना चाहिए. All sides are equal. Figure Q. All angles are right angle. Figure R. Opposite sides are parallel. Figure S. So which does not follow any of these? Which does not follow any of these? Yes. Come on. It's a chance. It's a chance. Maybe part 2 is difficult. Yes. जितना आता है ना उतना फटाफट करते जाना है. नाउ यही क्वेश्चन स्वैप हो सकता है आपके 7th में भी आ सकते हैं. तभी 7th 8th करना जरूरी है दोनों. फ्री अनबायस्ड ये बिल्कुल प्रोबेबिलिटी का क्वेश्चन 7th में भी है 8th में भी है. सेम विच आई डिस्कस्ड इन द प्रीवियस सेशन. उसी टाइप का क्वेश्चन है. 3 coins are tossed. What is the probability of getting at least 2 tails? 3 are tossed. So again, I'm noting it down that we'll do with the combi formula, right? So we'll be doing in hots of 8th. Yes. But is anyone giving me the answer? Yes. Is anyone giving me the answer? This answer is B. Tapas, they give me the answer. See, what are the chances? 1 minute. 1 minute. What are the chances? You want, first of all, 3 coins are tossed and you want at least 2 tails. Let me see the question. At least 2 tails. Right. So either you will get, what are the probabilities? Either you will get 3 head, 2 head, 1 tail. Then 2 heads, 1 tail. Tail, this is the first coin, second coin, third coin. Then tail, head, head. Then head, tail, tail. Tail, head, tail. And these are the 3. Now where you are getting 2 tails. Here you are getting 2 tails, 2 tails, 2 tails. And whereas at least 2 tails here. Right? So out of 8, probability of 4 is they're getting 2 tails. That is half. Good. Next comes if 2 quantities x and y vary directly with each other. Direct formula पूछा है. It's a chance, right? So what is the direct answer? 2 quantities x and y directly with each other. Then what is constant? Come on. Inverse and direct variation. X is the quantity, y is the quantity. Direct variability means if number of pieces increases, cost will increase, both increase. When both quantities increase, we call it direct variation. In direct variation, always x upon y is equal to k is equal to constant. Inverse variation में reverse happens. Product is constant. Next, exponents. Every year you get 2 questions from exponents both in grade 7 and grade 8. So you do exponents both from grade 7 and grade 8. Yes. X's. This time you can't take a chance. आपने first level पे बहुत मेहनत किया है, तब आप qualify करके second level पर आए. Second level में top 10 में आना है all those who are watching my videos. Their marks should not be less than 58. बस 60 on 60 लेकर आना है. 58 की भी बात नहीं कर रहे. Yes. You have to do all 50 questions correct. So first of all, yeah, you give me the answer like 11th ka answer is this. And you have to find out x ki power minus 3. You just don't have to find out x. Remember. Very good. Tapas. And Aryan, where are your answers? Subhas Das. Yes. Aryan, where are your answers? Come on. Aryan Dash, I'm saying. Sharva Kohale, everybody is right. How? 1 upon. If it is minus 2, make other as plus. Right? So I get 1 upon 3 raised to power 2 minus 2 plus 4. Right? So this means it is 1 upon 3 by 2 ki power. 3 by 2 ki power. What do you get? Multiply na. So it is 3 by 2 raised to minus 2 into 2 by 3. हमने इसको 2 by 3 कर लिया. 2 by 3 को 3 by 2 कर लिया. प्लस का 4 हो गया. इनकी पावर्स माइनस प्लस विल गिव यू. Yes. No. This is not class 10. It will give you 2. This becomes 2 upon 3 ka square. Some typing error is there. Some typing error is there, I guess, due to which the question is... Oh, right. और मैम एक्स निकाल के सोच रहे कि आंसर क्यों नहीं आए. एक्स इज, देखो आप भी ऐसी गलती नहीं कर देना. 2/3 का स्क्वायर. फिर आप पजल हो जाओगे कि आंसर तो इसमें है ही नहीं. नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट एक्स की पावर माइनस 3. राइट. एक्स की पावर माइनस 3 निकालना है. सो आपको ये एक्स है, इसको इसकी पावर को माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, माइनस 3 से. सो व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई बाय माइनस 3, एक्स की पावर माइनस 3 किया तो 2/3 स्क्वायर की पावर को माइनस 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. व्हाट विल यू गेट? 2/3 की पावर माइनस 6. वेरी गुड नलिन, वेरी गुड. You watch Abhay sir sessions, there you will find class 10th Olympiad. जितने उनके प्री आरएमओ के सेशंस हैं वो वॉच करो. राइट नलिन? या. The perimeters of a square, because 10th का IMO is like pre RMO, right? The perimeters of a square and a rectangle are equal if their areas are respectively a meter square and b meter square. Then which of the following is a true statement? इसमें याद रखना है, area of a square is always greater than area of a rectangle when perimeters are equal. Yes, right? So area of the square would be greater than area of rectangle, and that option is not given. So the answer is none of these. You can note down important. देखो अपनी आपको notes बना के चलने की कौन सा question note करना है. Result note करना है. If the perimeters are equal, then perimeter of square is greater than perimeter of rectangle. Next, This is an example to show which property. ये rational numbers में से है question. 2 to 3 questions you have got from rational numbers. कृष्णा आंसर रॉन्ग नहीं था, उसमें x नहीं पूछा था, x की पावर -3 पूछा था. ओके कृष्णा, x की पावर -3 पूछा था. शर्वा कोहाले says 12th का आंसर D. That is done. Now tell me 13th का आंसर. 13th. Which property is this? They has given me the first answer. It's commutative property of addition. Right. Simple it was. Next. Yes, this is a star question. Let me see who answers first. And you don't have to answer it. It's by mobile watch. The time is 8:48. I will take the answer at 8:50. I will take the answer at 8:50. उसके पहले आपने डन लिखना है, आंसर नहीं देना है. 14th का आंसर 8:50 पर देना है, not before that. Yes. निर्जस, okay. नहीं, 14th का आंसर अभी नहीं देना. I told you wait. Yes, they, Nirjas, they, what was your international rank in IMO? Because I'm happy with your answers. What was your international rank? Maybe in first 20. Nirjas, Sharva, can you all share your ranks? Yes. You can share me your result on Reenu MRT 68@gmail.com. Yes, see, I told you that you are among first 20. Very good, very good. You see, ma'am ka guess. With your performance, I could tell you still have 1 more minute. Yes. Sharva, what is your rank? Sharva, what is your rank? Yes. Tapas Day. Just register on Vedantu.com. Vedantu.com/ISL. Yes, come on. We have 4 children in international rank 1 in this group, the group which I was taking for the Olympiads. And others also have done very good. और अभी और अच्छा करना है, सबको 60 on 60 पर जाना है. Come on. Yes, time is up. Now you can give your answers. Time is up. Question number 14 का answer. Yes, Sharva, please note down my mail. It will always help you. ReenuMRT68@gmail.com. ReenuMRT68@gmail.com. Or you can message on ReenuDMW@gmail.com. I check both the mails. You can answer on any, right? Yes. So Krishna Sharma also says A. Samyukta says A. Das says A. Sharva Kohale says A. And yes, A. Now see how. This angle, first of all, these two are the parallel lines. Right, ye wali. D, F and C, G. And this is the transverse E. Right, इतना देखो बस. ये एंगल 28, तो इसको छोड़कर इस लाइन के नीचे वाला भी 28 होगा. कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स. These are corresponding angles. Now this whole was 90. So this angle left is 90 minus 28, 10 minus 8, 2, 8 minus 2, 6, 62 degrees. Now look at these two parallel lines. This time this is the transversal. If this is 62, iska corresponding this will be 62. So these are corresponding angles. These are corresponding angles. When the two lines are parallel, corresponding angles are equal. Very well done. All of you answered it correct. Very good. Next. By what least number this must be divided to obtain a number which is a perfect cube? This is the simplest, easiest. So we are not discussing. Answer is 15. Simply you make the factors, prime factors, 3 और 5 का पेयर नहीं बनता तो 3 5 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. मल्टीप्लाई पूछा होगा. So if you are asked by what number you should multiply, then 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So you need 9 into 25, 225. अगर multiply पूछा है, right? चलो, let's. Now this is 16. This is rationalization. How many of you know rationalization? How many of you know rationalization? I have written in HOTS of the in HOTS. We'll be discussing it together. जिस दिन हम important questions discuss करेंगे. So I am skipping it. So we'll be discussing when we do the important questions, right? Because I need to take 2-3 questions of the same type. मैंने पहले आपको rationalization सिखाना है. उसके बाद इसको करना है, right? So we'll be doing it with rationalization. No, correct. Now come to this question. Question number 17. Use the identity and answer to me in half a minute. Yes, no, not 1 by 15, Aryan. आपको फ्रैक्शन से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना है ना. बाय व्हाट होल नंबर? यस, वैल्यू ऑफ, यू आर राइट, बट यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय अ होल नंबर. फिर वो तो डिवाइड ही हो गया ना. 1 by 15 मीन्स यू आर डिवाइडिंग बाय 15. Aryan, 1 by 15 means you are dividing by 15. Yes. Now, answer of 17th. Again, Nirjas, they have given me the answer first. He says 2. A square minus B square. This is A square. Yeah. A square minus B square नहीं दिया. A square plus B square दिया. Yes. This is, या तो आप इसका होल स्क्वायर निकालो. A का स्क्वायर प्लस B का स्क्वायर प्लस 2AB प्लस A. डोंट मल्टीप्लाई इट. देखो चिल्ड्रन, देखते ही आप इसमें गलती कर सकते थे. A square minus B square. Look at this sign. This is not minus. There is a twist. There it is A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square, and this is A square plus B square. So take it as A square plus B square plus 2AB plus A square plus B square minus 2AB upon A square plus B square. 2AB gets cancelled. What do you get? Twice of A square plus B square upon A square plus B square. A square plus B square cancelled. 2 is your answer. Even you need not write such big numbers on the rough paper. 856, 167, 856, 167. Understood? Understood? डिनोमिनेटर में संयुक्ता A स्क्वायर प्लस B स्क्वायर है. A प्लस B होल स्क्वायर नहीं है. नहीं, मल्टीप्लाई करके नहीं करना, फिर तो होगा ही नहीं पेपर में. फिर आपके क्वेश्चन छूट जाएंगे. So this is a star question. Again, I will do it the day we do the important questions. देखते ही स्क्वायर्स ऐसा लगता है कि ये A स्क्वायर माइनस B स्क्वायर की प्रॉपर्टी होगी. नो, आपको नंबर्स भी पूरे नहीं लिखने. 856 को A मान लो और 167 को B मान लो. सभी कुछ कट जा रहा है. या योर पेपर विल बिकम अ मेस अगर आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई करने लगे. कभी भी नहीं करना. हमेशा आइडेंटिटी यूज करनी है जब भी बड़ा नंबर देखो. So this is the full step. You can pause here and you can see it. It is done. Next. If x plus 0 is equal to 0 plus x is equal to x, this is which property? Then 0 is called what? 0 is called what? Again, rational numbers का ये third question है based on properties. Multiplicative identity, additive inverse, commutative property, associative property, they should be very much clear. It is what? Obviously, it's answer A, identity for the addition. Right? Next. Again, linear equations have come. Maybe you make a mistake. Question मुश्किल नहीं है, but गलती हो सकती है. Question is not difficult, but it can cause a disaster. X plus 1, x minus 1 का denominator क्या होगा? X square minus 1. A plus B, A minus B. Multiply 3 with x minus 1. Subtract. Then multiply 2 with A plus B, x plus 1. 5 upon x square minus 1. दोनों तरफ denominator same, it will be cancelled. Now solve and give the answer. 19th का answer comes 3x minus 3 minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 5. 3x minus 2x, x minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Tapas De, you're very fast. Nirjas De, you're very fast. You're very good. Tell me your details. You're from which city? Nirjas, you are from which city and state? Yes. Now, I would set your meeting with Abe sir and you would get the chance for pre-RMO. Yes. First, you register on vedantu.com/ISL. Oh, you are from Gurgaon, Haryana. That's very good. So, yeah, you write a mail to me with your details. Such bright children, they are picked up by Vedantu and groomed for further mathematics, top ranks. So you are very good to go for pre-RMO. Most of the children in this group are ready to go for pre-RMO. So I have already set interviews of many children. I would set your interview also. Okay, that doesn't matter. Currently, where are you studying? I'm concerned with that. If two quantities P and Q vary inversely with each other, then come on. If two quantities P and Q vary inversely with each other, then what is constant? अभी देखो डायरेक्ट इनवर्स के दोनों का एक ही पेपर में पूछ लिया. Then yes, P into Q remains constant. Yes. Again, where are the children gone? Samyukta, I'm not getting. Yes, Anvita, very good. Anvita, good. Come on. Yes. Next. Which of these is equal to? Which of these is equal to? Come on. Again, I'm noting it down. Question number 21. When I teach you the rationalization, the search, we'll be doing this question then. Or you let me just help you out. If anything is an under root, say 4. This means 4 ki power half. This means 2 square into half. 2 gets cancelled. So it is 3 raised power minus 3. So it becomes 1 upon 3 ka cube minus square root of 81, 9, square root of 25, 5 plus 64 raised power minus 2 by 3. In such questions, it is 64 ka square root is what? 8. Yes. Upon 16 ki power minus 1 by 4. Let me explain you, those who have not done, it is actually indices, surds and indices. We call it as surds and indices. I can take a special session on this. 8 can be written as 2 cube into minus 2 by 3. 16 can be written as 2 की power 4 into minus 1 by 4. 8 can be written as 2 cube into minus 2 by 3. 16 can be written as 2 की power 4 into minus 1 by 4. So 3 cancel, you get 2 की power minus 2, that is 1 upon 4. 4 cancel, you get 1 upon 2. And then calculate. So this is 1 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 2. 1 upon 4 into 2 by 1. Again, you get 1 by 2 here. This whole fraction will give you, this is first step, second, this is numerator, denominator, and then numerator divided by denominator. 1 upon 27 minus 9 by 5 plus 1 by 2. So what is the answer coming? Answer is coming D. D. Yes. 1 upon 27 minus 9 by 5 plus 1 by 2. Could you understand, children? जब भी ऐसे लिखा होगा ना तो आप देखो 8 क्या है 2 का क्यूब, हमेशा कोशिश करो कि वो उसके साथ माइनस हो जाए. Right? Yes. Is it right? So 2 raised to minus 2 could be written as 1 upon 2 raised to 2 could be written as 1 upon 2 ka square, that is 1 upon 4. Similarly, 16 was 2 की power 4. आप वहां पे square root मत लो. 16 की power minus 1 by 4 was 2 की power 4 into minus 1 by 4. So you get 2 की power minus 1, which can be written as 1 upon 2. So it was 1 upon, that is 1 upon 4. Numerator. This is denominator. So numerator divided by denominator is into 2 by 1. This you are getting from the last one, third expression, and then you add it. So note down, this question went wrong for many. और इसमें ऐसा नहीं है कि ये only 8th को आया है. Same question can come to 7th. There is no difference in exponents question in 7th and 8th. This question again we'll go for, yeah, the important questions में जाएंगे हम इसके लिए. Today we will not discuss it because it's a lengthy question and I want to discuss many questions of this type. Right. So next comes question number 23. So 22 is left. We'll be doing it with the important questions. जिस दिन important questions का day होगा ना, so bring all those children who have qualified level 1. Question number 22. Right? Yes. Next is length of rectangular. I have noted down कि 22 हमने छोड़ा है. Yes. Next is length of rectangular field. Namit. Yes, Namit, that for that you have to go to Abhisar's session. His pre-RMO sessions are the same as for like your IMO. The length of a rectangular field is 11 meters more than its width. If the length is decreased by 12 and width is increased by 10, the area decreases by 24 meter square. Find the original length and width. 23, 24, 25, 3 questions left. Yes. Length of the rectangular field is 11 more than its width. If width is x, length is x plus 11. If the length is decreased by 12, length is decreased by 12. That means x plus 11 minus 12. This is new length. So it becomes x minus 1. And width is increased by 10. New width is x plus 10. Area decreases by 24. Original area say 24. If I do x minus 1 into x plus 10, it is equal to old area minus 24. Old area was x into x plus 11 minus 24. New area is old area से 24 कम. Or you can say the difference of two areas is 24. No child, I am not taking NSO. Focusing on maths because maths will be helpful for you in 11th and 12th and for medical, non-medical both. Science is also good, but जो साइंस के 8th के टॉपिक्स है उनसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट 9th वाले टॉपिक्स हैं. साइंस में इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप आगे का करो, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम करो, एटम्स एंड मॉलिक्यूल्स करो, मोल कॉन्सेप्ट करो, राइट. You can do it. 8th का top NSO is like that. You can prepare yourself. Elimination नहीं करना है, आपको मेथड आना चाहिए संयुक्ता. That is why your questions go wrong. Yeah, 7th paper is more difficult than 8th because of calculations, but it is a chance. It is a chance. अगर easy paper होता है तो फिर उसमें accuracy check होती है, क्योंकि easy है तो सबके लिए easy है. फिर फाइट है बिटवीन 55 आए कि 60 आए. अगर डिफिकल्ट है तो इट इज बेटर कि भाई या तो 50 आएंगे या 53 आएंगे. इजी है तो सब लोग कराएंगे. ओके, कविता चहल, यू गॉट 58 मार्क्स, दैट वेरी गुड. जितने भी लोगों का बहुत अच्छा रैंक है, आई नो यू ऑल आर लेवल 1 क्वालिफाई, यू आर वेरी गुड. यू प्लीज रजिस्टर ऑन vedantu.com/ISL. You will get the opportunity to revise good questions. Plus, you can write a mail to me at reenumrt68@gmail.com. @gmail.com. Yes. So this is the method. You have to do with this method only. Solve it. If you're not able to do, then you tell me on my mail कि आप ये वाला क्वेश्चन नहीं कर पाए थे, मैम दोबारा डिस्कस कर लो. Okay. Next comes, yeah, this is done over here. This is the detailed method. X minus 1 आ गया, x plus 10 आ गया. पहले वाला एरिया ये था ओरिजिनल एरिया. दिस इज न्यू एरिया. इनका डिफरेंस इज 24. और यू कुड राइट इट डाउन. न्यू एरिया क्या होगा, ओल्ड एरिया से 24 कम हो गया. यस, इट कैन. पॉलिनोमियल्स में आ सकते हैं. अभी ये पेपर इजी. अभी जब हम सारे 5 इयर्स के पेपर करेंगे तो किसी साल डिफिकल्ट भी आएगा. तो यू नेवर नो कि पॉलिनोमियल्स की प्रॉपर्टीज पूरी 9th वाली आ गई, सारे फॉर्मूले आ गए, क्यूब्स आ गए, a प्लस बी प्लस सी होल स्क्वायर आ गया, राइट. इन अब जैसे क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स है, पैरेललोग्राम्स है, दीज आर द सेम एज 9th में पैरेललोग्राम्स एंड एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम्स, राइट. So in the given figure, not drawn to scale, ABCD is a trapezium with AB. देखो जब भी दो लाइंस पैरेलल होंगी तो उसके लिए ये भी ट्रांसवर्सल है, ये भी ट्रांसवर्सल है. ये एंगल्स को-इंटीरियर एंगल्स हैं, ये एडजेसेंट एंगल्स हैं, इनका सम 180 होगा. I've already given you the hint. ADE is isosceles triangle with AD equal to AE. तो ये दोनों एंगल्स कैसे होंगे, इक्वल. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. जो भी डायग्राम्स एंगल्स वाले क्वेश्चन है फटाफट से ढूंढना शुरू कर दो. अगर मुझे 30 दिया तो इसकी हेल्प से मैं क्या कर सकता हूं, राइट. व्हाट कैन आई डू? सो इफ दीज टू आर क्लियर, ABCD इज अ ट्रेपेजियम. अभी तो मैंने देखा भी नहीं कि क्या पूछा है. मैंने ऐसे सोचा अगर 30 दिया तो सबसे पहले साइड्स इक्वल करके एंगल्स इक्वल कर दो और x फाइंड आउट कर दो. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज आस्क्ड. फाइंड एंगल AEB, ये वाला पूछा है. जब x आ जाएगा तो 180 में से माइनस करके ये आ जाएगा. एंड EAB, और ये वाला पूछा है. जब ये x आ जाएगा तो आपको ये एंगल पता चल जाएगा, ये इसका को-इंटीरियर एंगल से आ जाएगा. सो व्हाट इज द आंसर? Nirjas and Samyukta have been fastest and they are right. Sharva Kohale is right. Sharva, what rank is yours? You please check and tell me. Okay. 24th answer is B. Absolutely correct. See, this is X, this is X. Anvita. Very good, magical arts. So 30 plus 2x is equal to 180. 2x is 180 minus 30, 150. X is 75 degrees. x is 75, तो एंगल A प्लस एंगल D is 180, को इंटीरियर क्यों? क्योंकि AB पैरेलल टू CD है, AD ट्रांसवर्सल है. सो अगर ये वाला एंगल 75 है तो एंगल D कितना है? 75 प्लस 34. एंगल A कितना है? 30 प्लस EAB, और ये सब मिला के कितना होना चाहिए? 180. 75, 34, 30 and this EAB, or you can call it Y. मिला के कितना होना चाहिए? 180. So you will get this angle AEB, and this is 180 minus 75, that is 105 degrees. Clear? Linear pair. Very good, Nirjas. Your concepts are very much clear. Again, probability का question. So two questions of probability in grade 7 and 2 questions of probability in grade 8. Right? Getting a multiple of 4 as a product of 4 numbers. Right? So this, again, you'll make the combination, or you can do with the number of favorable outcomes upon the total. So we'll discuss all probability questions on one day. So children, within a short time, आपको time भी नहीं पता चला, and we have covered, in full 1 hour, the 25 questions. It wasn't the session helpful? So yes, come on, thumbs up for ma'am also. Yes, you can write. Thank you for ma'am. Yes, yes or no? You can. Thank you लिख सकते हैं मैम के लिए.